Yo, what's up everyone? It's Noah. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future with a curated selection of the absolute must-have gadgets of 2025. From mind-blowing vlogging tools to sleek ergonomic keyboards, we've got a little something for everyone in this lineup, so buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to upgrade your tech game because things are about to get seriously futuristic. Let's dive in. Alright, first up, we're kicking things off with a game changer for all you creators out there, the MagMirror. Now, we've all been there, struggling to get that perfect shot with the front-facing camera. The MagMirror is here to banish those grainy selfie videos to the tech graveyard. Essentially, it's this super sleek and slim attachment that seamlessly attaches magnetically to the back of your smartphone. It transforms your phone's display onto the back, giving you a crystal clear, real-time preview of what your rear camera sees. That's right, no more guesswork, no more awkwardly trying to frame your shot with the front camera. Think about it. Crisp, high-quality vlogs, stunning selfies, all captured with the power of your phone's main camera. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Just snap it on and you're good to go. No complicated setups, no bulky accessories. Imagine effortlessly nailing those transitions, capturing those picture-perfect moments, and taking your content creation to a whole new level. The MagMirror empowers you to focus on what matters most, letting your creativity shine. So, whether you're a seasoned vlogger or just starting, the MagMirror is a game changer. Trust me, once you go MagMirror, you won't go back. Next up, we're diving into the world of peripherals with a keyboard that's not just a keyboard, it's a statement. Meet the KEYKRUSH ORCA, a wireless ergonomic keyboard that's as beautiful as it is functional. Now, you know I'm a sucker for good design, and the ORCA does not disappoint. Its sleek, fluid lines are inspired by the graceful curves of an orca whale, and trust me, it shows. This keyboard doesn't just sit on your desk, it flows, but it's not just about looks here. The ORCA is engineered for peak performance and comfort. That slight tilt you see, that's not just for show. It's ergonomically designed to reduce strain on your wrists and keep you comfortable even during those marathon typing sessions. And speaking of performance, this thing is powered by cutting-edge wireless technology. We're talking lightning-fast response times, no lag, no dropouts. The ORCA is all about freedom. So if you're looking for a keyboard that elevates your workspace and takes your productivity to new heights, look no further than the KEYKRUSH ORCA. It's a game changer. Alright, let's face it, we've all been victims of those dreaded missed deliveries. You're eagerly waiting for that package, constantly refreshing the tracking information, only to find out it's been sent back to the depot. Frustrating, right? Well, say goodbye to delivery woes with Time Locker, a revolutionary personal parcel locker system that's here to change the game. Imagine this, a secure, accessible, and eco-friendly solution that puts you in control of your deliveries. Think of Time Locker as your own personal delivery hub. It's a network of smart lockers strategically placed for ultimate convenience. Whether you're at work, the gym, or just around the corner, there's a Time Locker waiting for you. Time Locker seamlessly integrates with a powerful mobile app, giving you real-time updates on your packages, the ability to schedule deliveries, and even manage returns. Each Time Locker is equipped with advanced security features, including biometric authentication, ensuring that your packages are always safe and sound. So whether you're tired of playing delivery roulette or simply looking for a smarter, more efficient way to manage your packages, Time Locker is the future of deliveries. It's a game changer. Alright, let's be real, we all use our phone's front-facing camera for video calls, vlogging, and those all-important selfies. But let's be honest, the quality just doesn't compare to the magic your phone's rear camera can capture, right? Well, get ready to say goodbye to those grainy front camera woes with UVIEW, a revolutionary secondary screen that's here to unlock the full potential of your smartphone photography. Imagine this, a sleek, compact, add-on screen that attaches seamlessly to your phone, mirroring your main display in real time. It essentially brings the power of your high-quality rear camera to the front. Think about it. Crystal clear video calls, stunning selfies, and vlogs that look like they were shot with a professional camera rig. Imagine effortlessly framing those perfect shots, nailing those on-the-go vlogs, and taking your social media game to a whole new level. UVIEW empowers you to focus on what matters most, your content. It's the tool you need to elevate your content, stand out from the crowd, and capture those picture-perfect moments. So whether you're a social media maven, a budding content creator, or simply someone who appreciates a good selfie, UVIEW is a game changer. It's time to ditch the limitations of your front-facing camera and unlock a world of creative possibilities. Alright, let's be real, who doesn't love a good EDC gadget, am I right? But what if I told you that you could combine the practicality of a high-performance flashlight with the satisfying fidget factor of, well, a fidget toy? Introducing the CYANSKY Vanguard, a slide-action flashlight that's not just a tool, it's an experience. And trust me, this is not your average flashlight. First off, let's talk about power. This thing packs a serious punch with a maximum brightness of up to 1500 lumens. That's enough to illuminate even the darkest corners with ease. And with multiple brightness levels, a strobe mode, and even an SOS mode, the Vanguard is ready for anything. But here's where things get interesting. The slide action. This flashlight features an incredibly satisfying slide mechanism that feels just like chambering around in a firearm. It's addictive, it's fun, and it's guaranteed to turn heads. The slide action allows you to quickly and easily activate the flashlight with a single hand, which is essential in those moments when every second counts. So, whether you're a flashlight aficionado, a fidget enthusiast, or simply looking for a unique and practical EDC gadget, the CYANSKY Vanguard is in a league of its own. Alright, fellow tech enthusiasts, let's talk virtual reality. VR has exploded in popularity, transporting us to new worlds and pushing the boundaries of immersive entertainment. But let's be real, managing those VR headsets and controllers can be a bit of a hassle, right? Well, say hello to the CyberCore, the ultimate VR charging station that's here to revolutionize your virtual reality experience. First off, let's talk about power. The CyberCore is a beast, delivering up to 120 watts of power to charge all your VR devices simultaneously at blazing fast speeds. We're talking about getting back into the action quicker than ever before, but it's not just about speed, it's about organization. The CyberCore is designed to be the central hub for all your VR gear. It features dedicated cradles for your headset and controllers, keeping everything neat, tidy, and easily accessible. So, if you're serious about VR and want a charging station that's as powerful and sophisticated as your virtual reality experiences, look no further than the CyberCore. It's the ultimate VR accessory. Alright, audiophiles, music lovers, and podcast enthusiasts, this one's for you. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world of rich, detailed sound with the Mango Audio CS50, a hi-fi sound system that's as elegant as it is powerful. Now, Mango Audio might be a name you haven't heard before, but trust me, they're about to be on your radar. The CS50 is a testament to their commitment to delivering an unparalleled audio experience. Imagine this, a single, beautifully crafted wood cabinet that houses a complete hi-fi system. We're talking about dual tweeters for crystal clear highs, a powerful woofer for deep resonant bass, and everything in between. But it's not just about the individual components, it's about how they work together to create a truly immersive soundscape. The CS50 isn't just a speaker, it's a mood setter. So whether you're a seasoned audiophile or simply someone who appreciates good sound, the Mango Audio CS50 is a game changer. It's a reminder that true audio quality is timeless, and that investing in a good sound system is an investment in your own well-being. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the future of tech, with 7 must-have gadgets that are guaranteed to elevate your everyday experiences. These gadgets represent the cutting edge of innovation and design. Don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know which of these gadgets you're most excited about. And as always, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming tech reviews and explorations.